It's Thursday. We've had post. Thanks, RailwayScenics. What have we got? Heath green scatter. Light meadow scatter. Dark earth scatter. Scattering this well here. Static grass autumn mix. Static grass summer mix. Nice green. Mid green hedge foliage. I'm sure you used to get more in these bags. There we go. Light green hedge foliage. Woo! 2402 wire, which according to my reference for is where are we? About 18 or 19 AWG in pink and in purple. And then 1602 or 20 AWG in pink. There's going to be some wiring, and soon there's going to be some scenic stuff coming up. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.